A is represented by dot 1. B is represented by dots 1 and 2. C is represented by dots 1 and 4. D is represented by dots 1, 4, and 5. E is represented by dots 1 and 5. F is represented by dots 1, 2, and 4. G is represented by dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. H is represented by dots 1, 2, and 5. I is represented by dots 2 and 4. J is represented by dots 2, 4, and 5. K is represented by dots 1, 3. L is represented by dots 1, 2, 3. M is represented by dots 1, 3, 4. N is represented by dots 1, 3, 4, 5. O is represented by dots 1, 3, 5. P is represented by dots 1, 2, 3, 4. Q is represented by dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is represented by dots 1, 2, 3, 5. S is represented by dots 2, 3, 4. T is represented by dots 2, 3, 4, 5. U is represented by dots 1, 3, 6. V is represented by dots 1, 2, 3, 6. W is represented by dots 2, 4, 5, 6. X is represented by dots 1, 3, 4, 6. Y is represented by dots 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Z is represented by dots 1, 3, 5, 6.